Welcome back, everyone. It's Jeff from New York, and today we are at the Audubon Aquarium of the Americas in New Orleans, right in the French Quarter along the Mississippi. I'm going to buy the Value 3 attraction ticket, which entitles you entry into not only this aquarium, but the Audubon Zoo, which is across town in the Garden District, as well as the Audubon Butterfly Garden and Insectarium. I'm not sure if I'm going to make it there or not. If I have time, I will definitely go there, but this ticket is the way to go if you want to see all three. It's a lot cheaper that way, and you can go on different days. The aquarium has a very cool gift shop. It's got a lot of unique items that you just don't find in other souvenir shops around the French Quarter. On another video on this channel is the New York Aquarium. We visit that gift shop as well, but this one just seems bigger and it's got a lot of cool stuff in it. Regarding the New York Aquarium, it's located on the boardwalk of Coney Island in Brooklyn, New York. So make sure you check those videos out, the Coney Island ones, as well as all my New York videos. Baby shark, do 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 do. I'll take one of everything. And these are the first live fish we see here at the aquarium. Or are they? Sometimes I wonder if these aquariums just have flat screen televisions. Lots of aquariums have these walk-through tunnels now. This one's really cool. It's got stingrays, and I like those a lot. I've had several aquariums over the past many years, and they're a lot of work, and I just can't imagine the maintenance it takes to keep these fish healthy and these tanks so sparkling clean. This is the Kingdom of the Maya exhibit. Just a reminder, this is Cray Cray the crawfish from Louisiana. He shows up somewhere in all my New Orleans videos, so please help me find him. Be the first to spot Cray Cray in this video and leave a comment below with the timestamp you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video on this channel. Some pretty cool Mayan themed wall art. This exhibit's called The Amazing Amazon, or A River Runs Through It. Personally, I think the fish and flora here in the Amazon exhibit would thrive really well here in New Orleans because it's hot and humid here most of the year, just like it is in the Amazon. The green here is really lush, and keep in mind we're still indoors. Directly ahead is a well-disguised air conditioning duct. It's huge, and I would imagine it takes a lot of air conditioning to keep this place cool and comfortable, which it is. It's penguins! Penguins are so cute. They're also very messy. They seem to have the messiest areas in every aquarium I've ever been in. This one's not too bad, though. The background music's very new age. I'm not sure if I'm in an aquarium or getting ready for a massage. Lots going on right now in the aquarium, so I'm gonna have to come back in a couple of years to see what they've changed. So in the meantime, I'll pardon their progress. I wonder in the alternate universe if there are fish banging on the window of a hospital nursery. Not a huge fan of Papa John's, but it's the first pizzeria I've seen in several days, and I am from the Northeast, so I'm going to order a personal pie. We saw this huge bird cage, for lack of a better word, in another video on this channel. As you enter, there's a lock, and it closes the door behind you before the door in front of you opens, just so the birds don't escape. And as I mentioned in the other video, I suggest that you wear a hat, and one that you were thinking about throwing out. Mostly your regular pet shop parakeets, but it's pretty cool nonetheless. They're kept inside. It looks like it's wide open, but there's actually a fish net around this entire building. These guys look pretty happy, and they should be. They're guaranteed food and water and a lot of love and attention, as opposed to the ones you find in a pet shop, which look like, what did I do to deserve this? And here we have some otters. I love otters. I always have since I was a child. I read a book, my very first, I guess you could call it adult book. It was over 100 pages and had no pictures. The book was called Oki the Otter, and I really love this book, and I suggest if you have kids to find it. However, it is out of print and very difficult to find, but it really, it was, again, brings back a lot of memories. It was my first adult book, and it just grew my love for these fine animals. This exhibit that we're walking into is all about the Mississippi River, which is kind of ironic seeing that the actual Mississippi is only a few yards away. Coming up on the left is a rare albino alligator.
This is their way of giving back. It's still a controversial thing, but it's something they are doing to help out. And for the little guys who are in front, you guys can come check this out after. Down here at the bottom, incidents like what's happening with Dorian, destroying a lot of meat, because you get a good idea. He's as wide as this rock is when he comes down here, so he's really a big guy. So they're true to size. The redfish are big. I mean, they get fed, nobody bugs them. There's no real predator except for the sharks in here who are getting fed. Any other questions? Well, I have a biofat cart, I have a shark jaw, I have the alligator gar skin.
I don't know about you, but I learned a lot of interesting stuff today. And I love the lighting in this room. It makes me want to just lay down on one of these benches and take a nap. But I don't think aquarium management would appreciate that. And for the grand finale, we have the sea turtle, another one of my favorites here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.